Today we are touring the beautiful home that won first place during the Parade of Homes in its category this year.
And this home is located in the beautiful neighborhood of Wolf Ranch, which is located in Academy D20 School District. This is the Bellevue model. It's a ranch floor plan, and it's with Covington. Come with us. For more information about this property or any other new builds located in Colorado Springs, reach out. We would love to help you. My name is Christine Callender.
And I'm Amanda Callender.
We're with Exit Realty Pikes Peak, and we specialize in the Colorado Springs metro region, including new builds. You want to make sure that you have a local specialized realtor representing you throughout your new build process.